welcome back. This is Chili Davis and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. If this is the channel that we talk about my top stocks, we also talk about dividend, passive income stocks. We also talk about personal finance from time to time. If you're new, please like and share the videos, and thank you for stopping by the channel. Well, we're going to get into my top stocks really quickly today. We had quite a few stocks pretty much perform on a high level today. We had ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla stock was up over 8.56%. SOFI shares surged over 5%. Also, Anthony Noto the CEO, he did make a note out that you should refinance with SOFI right now as student loans restart in late August. Okay. We also had AMD. AMD was another top stock today. Advanced Micro Devices was up 2.71% on the day. Okay. So let's take a quick look at the Robinhood. Okay, here we are in the Robinhood portfolio. And again, today we were up 2.71% on the day, okay, for a gain of over $61. We were moving up like breakneck speed. As you can see, as the market opened earlier this morning, before 9 o'clock, the market ripped up high, and then it's cooled off for a little bit, and then it ripped up higher, and it dipped for a minute, cooled off, and then it ripped up even higher. So again, the Robinhood portfolio was up today 2.67%, not seen since the 2021 scene where meme stocks were ripping the market. Here we are again, AI stocks and Tesla leading the way, up over 8% on the day. Okay, so it was a great day in the market, and we're going to take a quick look at stocks here. We did have Amazon shares were up 2.39%. And like I noted before, Tesla shares up over 8.56%. That is a good look. Just looked like the market was on fire. Okay, it looks like Tesla, even after hours, is up another 1.5%. Okay, so look, here it is. Tesla was up during the day 4.57%. And then after hours, they're up 5.13%. Okay, so as you can see, the market rallied, and Tesla took full advantage of the situation. It cooled off, but then it tore back up higher. Okay, so that's Tesla, another top stock of the day. Let's take a quick look at AMD really quickly. That's another stock that's been on a tear for the last week or so. Since the AI boom started today, AMD was up 2.72% on the day. Okay, so great news in this position. I'm up over 14% in the Robinhood. Okay, but if we look at the last month, we're up over 28% on advanced micro devices. Okay, so again, semiconductor stocks are really hot right now, and people aren't backing down. More and more hedge funds are buying into the AI hype. Okay, and then lastly, we'll take a quick look at SOFI. SOFI stock has been rallying ever since the debt ceiling deal. The debt ceiling deal included that student loans would resume late August. Okay, so if we look at since last week, the stock is up on a tear over 14%. SOFI Technologies, which is a fintech bank, over the last month is up over 50%. Okay, so this stock got as low as $4 a share. And yesterday, Anthony Noto did come on TV on CNBC and mention that you should refinance your student loans with SOFI. If you have interest rates above 5 or 6%, and it's not necessarily a government loan, then you should check out SOFI Technologies. Again, the shares were up over 50% over last month and up over 14% over last month. This stock could go to $10. Okay, so SOFI shares up over 5% again today. A great move on SOFI Technology. Again, they do student loans, personal loans, home loans, car loans, and they also have a platform where you could trade stock like SOFI Technologies. Okay, so a great day in the market. Now we're going to take a look at the TD Ameritrade account. Okay, as you can see, we're up 3.37% in the TD Ameritrade account, a total of $1,300. And we'll see which was the top stock of the day, which was Tesla. Tesla earned me over 10% in the shares, over $1,080. Again, this stock is on a tear, okay? This stock was as low as one something just a couple of months ago, was in the early hundreds, and now it's back over $247 per share. Tesla shares surging again today. Also, SOFI Technology, as we mentioned, with the student loan refinance, was up 5.30% for a gain of $104. And Advanced Micro Device, as we mentioned earlier, the semiconductor space up 2.94% for a gain of $60. And also Nvidia got into action today. Nvidia shares were up over 3.06% for a gain of $45 in this portfolio. Also, Amazon shares up as well. So it's a great day in the market. It looked like all of Mega Tech was up, and we had SOFI Technologies up as well, a smaller cap stock, but a stock dealing with student loans and a lot of finances. Again, two of my top stocks, Tesla and SOFI Technology, and Amazon over the last month has been getting into action. As you can notice, since May, it's been up and to the right. Since early May, Amazon shares have been up over 20% since early May. Okay, so that's another stock that's been on a tear. Again, Amazon, part of the AI race. This will be one of the companies that Nvidia will interface with data. People will be capturing data, and artificial intelligence will making decisions for people. Amazon is part of one of the cloud partners that Nvidia chips work with. Okay, so again, Amazon shares on a tear over the last month, over 20%. Now let's take a quick look at some losers to today. Ticker symbol CHPT, charge point, the EV charging stations was down slightly today, 6%. And remember, this stock is range bound. They can't quite seem to communicate with Wall Street and get the story straight. So this stock has been in the $8 to $10 range for the last, I guess, 6 to 8 months. Next stock, cloud stock, Twilio, has been struggling, has lost over 50% value over the last year. Basically, they can't get their story straight as well. Okta is a strong company. Over the last quarter, they were able to show strength and surge from $60 a share up to $90 per share. But on the earnings call, they seem to drop the ball for the forecast. Okay, well, let's see what Okta can do. It's holding at $60, $70 per share. But let's see if it can get back to $100 per share by year's end. Also, Visa stock's a great stock to own. It is a dividend-paying stock, and they're just humming along. They were slightly down today, 0.98%. Okay, so those are some opportunities. Remember, Visa does pay dividends, so you always want to be buying dividend stocks. Also, ChargePoint, whenever they can figure it out, that might be a great opportunity as well. But again, we had several hot stocks today. Tesla, SOFI, AMD, Nvidia, and Amazon, all hot stocks on the day. And continue to watch the channel. I've got great more videos to come. I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. I'll see you on the next one.